Today we will start with the new topic, menopause. What do you mean by menopause? What is the meaning of menopause? Very first, the menopause is a Greek word. Mens means monthly and pauses means cessation. So it means the cessation of the monthly period, which is menstrual cycle. So menopause is the end of the menstrual cycle. It's a natural aging process due to which the estrogen and progesterone level will be fall down permanently, and there will be no the woman cannot be pregnant. So this phase is also called as climacteric period. So definition of the menopause. The menopause is the permanent cessation of the menstruation at the end of the reproductive life due to the loss of the ovarian follicular activities. Normally it occurs at the age of 45 to 55 years. The phases of the menopause. Usually the menopause is breaking down into the 4 stages, where first is the premenopausal phase, second one is the perimenopausal phase, third one is the menopausal phase, and fourth one is the postmenopausal phase. So let's see what are these phases. What is premenopause? Premenopause means the phase before the menopause, prior to the menopause. That is called premenopausal phase. It occurs between the age of 40 years, just 40 to 45 years. Perimenopausal phase means a period of woman's life which is characterized by the lots of physiological changes, which is associated with the end of the reproductive life, which is associated with the termination of the menstruation or cessation of the menstruation. Okay, so perimenopausal phase will be start from the premenopause at the end of the premenopause to the menopausal state. Menopausal phase means it is the end of menstruation. It is the cessation of the menstruation, totally cessation of the menstruation. Here the menstrual cycle will be ended. Now there is no more menstrual cycle. The age is between 45 to 55 years. Average is 50 years. So average menopausal age is 50 years. And postmenopausal phase means the phase after the menopause. Once menopause is settled, then afterward the phase is called postmenopausal phase. So it is almost 1 to 2 years after the menopause. The postmenopausal phase is defined formally as a time after which the woman which has experienced 12 consecutive months with amenorrhea or without menstrual period. That is called the postmenopausal period. Now, what are the causes of the menopause? The natural obvious cause is the atrophy, aging process, which causes the atrophy of the ovaries, and due to the atrophy of the ovaries there is the cessation of the menstruation. Why? Because the ovarian follicles will be atrophied, and from the ovarian follicles the estrogen and progesterone will be released. So due to the atrophied ovaries there is decrease in the amount of the estrogen and progesterone hormones, so that gradually the menstrual cycle will be stopped. When the estrogen and progesterone will totally decreased or totally stop releasing from the ovaries, at that time the menstrual cycle will be stopped completely. Second cause is the surgical removal of the ovaries and uterus. There may be the chances of some pathologies, and so that the ovary and uterus will be removed. So surgical removal of the ovaries and uterus can be caused the menopause. In the cigarette smoking will cause the early onset of the menopause. Now let's see what are the changes occur during the menopause. In the body, what are the changes occur during the menopause? The very first, in the physiological changes, due to all the physiological changes are occur due to the lack of estrogen and progesterone. So lack of estrogen and progesterone will cause the many changes into the woman's body or woman's physiology that will affect her health and also well-being. So the symptoms of the menopause due to the changes into the metabolism of the body. Usually physiological changes occur due to the changes into the metabolism which affected by the estrogen and progesterone. So very first is the increased cholesterol level into the blood. It may cause hyperlipidemia, deposition of the lipids, or causes increase in the level of cholesterol and lipids into the blood. This is the very common character. This will lead to gradual risk to the heart diseases and stroke after the menopause. So just after the menopause, the risk of the heart diseases and stroke will be increased. Then changes into the bone. Due to the menopause, the osteoporosis occurs, right? Due to the effect of the estrogen. So calcium will be lost from the bone and increase in the first 5 years. Loss of calcium will be increased during the menopausal age, and onset of the menopause will cause the loss of density because the low estrogen level causes the absorption of more and more calcium from the bones. So it will cause the removal of the calcium from the bone, and which will cause the low density of the bone and which lead to the osteoporosis. The calcium moves out of the bones and leaving them the weak and liable to fracture at the smallest stress. So they become very weak. Then changes into the digestive system. There are many changes occur during menopause into the digestive system. In digestive system will be activity of the digestive system will be diminished. The motor activity will be almost diminished after the menopause. So intestine tends to be sluggish and which will result into the constipation. The activity of all the intestine will be slowed down, so which will lead to the constipation. So changes into the urinary system. Estrogen will cause decrease. Estrogen level will be decreased into the menopause, so it will cause the dryness of all the tissue linings into the urethra. So urethra will become drier and thinner and less elastic. So there will be the chances of the UTI, urinary tract infection. There will be chances of the stricture of the urethra, and it will also lead to the increased frequency of passing of urine because bladder will elasticity of the bladder is lost. So urine collection capacity of the bladder will be decreased. So it will cause the frequency of urine. Then changes into the genital organs. What are changes occur into the genital organs? So in the uterus, what is the changes occur during the menopause? In uterus, the uterus will become the small and fibroelastic. There is fibrosis occur into the uterine muscles. So muscles are atrophied after the menopause. Cervix become more smaller, and vagina will also shrinking. In the older woman, it is impossible to identify the cervix and vagina separately because stricture of the stricture and shrinking of the cervix and vagina. The vaginal and cervical discharges decreases during the menopause, and initially it is decreased and then later on it will disappear completely. So vaginal and cervical discharges will be stopped after few years of menopause. So there is a dryness in the vagina and cervix. Then what are the changes occur into the ovaries? We all know why menopause occurs, due to the atrophy of the ovaries. So ovaries will be shriveled and smaller and it will be atrophied. So which the ovaries which produce the little androgen during the reproductive life begin to produce, it is increased in amount. Vagina. What are the changes occurring to the vagina? In vagina will become more dry, the mucous membrane will become more and more thin, and it will lose its rugosities after the menopause, and it will markedly decrease the secretions initially, and afterward it is completely disappear. So there is difficulty into the intercourse, which is very painful due to the dryness of the vagina, due to the absence of the cervical and vaginal discharges. Vulva or external genital organs. What are the changes occur in the external genital organs? Into the external genital organ, the labia majora will be fat. It will fat, and the mons pubis will decrease and pubic hair will be sparse. In the breast, what are the changes occur? In thin built woman, the breast will be flattened down. It will be shrink. It will be shriveled. And in heavily body woman, they will be remain flabby and pendulous. Means flashy, एकदम flashy बनी जाए. Then what are the changes occur into the general appearance? Into the skin will lose its elasticity, which become more thin and fine. This is due to the elastin and collagen from the skin, due to the loss of the elastin and collagen from the skin, which is maintained by the estrogen into the skin. Okay. So then what is changes into the weight? The weight will be increased more likely due to the irregular food habits, which is due to the mood swings, and there is more deposition of the fat into around the hip, waist and buttocks. So generally after the menopause there is a weight gain. Then changes into the